so we are back for another video. If you're new here, welcome, welcome. My name is Shauna Cole. I am a serial entrepreneur, business coach, and aspiring YouTuber. Today, I'm going to do a fun video. I'm going to do a answering questions to my highest video that I have on YouTube. Now, this video is where I posted about my experience of getting my veneers done in Colombia. So I'm going to give you guys an update on my veneers and I'm going to answer the questions. So these are my veneers. It has been 3 years since I've had my veneers. Let's see. Yep. 3 years ago, I did my veneers and I absolutely love them. Literally the best money I've ever spent. I hated my teeth. Like, I've worn braces for years. My teeth were twisted, crooked. Like, I spent so much money in this mouth. Ugh. But I posted my experience on YouTube and got a lot of questions. So I am going to go over the questions. I'm going to answer the questions. But you could go back to the video. I guess I'll tag the video for reference. And then you guys could go back and watch that video. But I'm just going to answer the questions. So glad to see you went. Was wondering how safe it was at the airport to the hotel. So from the airport to the hotel, Dr. Gonzaga sends you a driver to pick you up at the airport. You basically know who's coming for you and they take you directly to the hotel. I guess the hotel was safe. I was like a little bit scared while I was there, like just knowing that it was Colombia and I was there by myself. But other than that, I mean, I had no issues at all. Another question. Your teeth are gorgeous. Did you have to be fully vaccinated? My appointment is in April and I'm nervous I have to travel alone. So I did my teeth basically in the pandemic. So no, I was not vaccinated at the time. Someone's asking, is it very expensive to get veneers? So I have Porcelain Veneers, which is the top of the line veneers. And I also did a lot of other work with my doctor. So for me, it was like 5 figures. I did my crown. I did change all my fillings that were black to white. I did gum. I forgot what the gum thing is called so that my teeth can look nice and natural. How much does it cost? How much does it cost if you break them off? And did you go back to Colombia? This is a very great question. So when I came back from Colombia, one of them broke. I had Chick-fil-A fries and it came off. But that teeth, I think it was just off, right? So I had paid $300 and something to put that back on and it never came off after that. Did I go back to Colombia? I had to go back to put the crown on my root canal, but I didn't do it in Colombia. They do have an office in DR. I was on vacation in DR, so I just made an appointment, went to DR, and they put my crown back on for me in DR. Okay, great question also. Hello, can you explain the process with the porcelain and implants? Not too many people talk about that part. I was told I have to come in 2 trips. Is it really painful? So yes, you do have to do 2 trips because after you do your implant, you definitely have to go back to cover the implant. So I did root canal, implants, I did a lot of things. So the process is I went, they mold your teeth one day. So I spent 3 days. They mold your teeth and stuff like that, clean what needs to be clean, change your filling and stuff like that. You go back to test what they did at the lab, you know, try them on and stuff like that. And then you get them put on. And if you're doing your implants, I think the implants I did on the first day. And then that's why I had to go back another time to put the crown, because the implant, you have to go home with it and it has to heal before you could put the crown on. Okay, so I hope this helps. Could you explain the implant process a little bit more, please, as far as pain, and do you have to go back for a crown? It was painful. It was painful. So they do give you the anesthesia. They stick up your gum. So if you're starting to feel pain again, you just let them know and they'll stick more, whatever that is, in your gum to kind of ease the pain, but it's very uneasy. Yes, it is. And yes, you have to go back for your crown. Are your teeth more sensitive now? So no, my teeth are not sensitive at all. I guess because the implant is covering them. I did originally have sensitive teeth because I wore braces. So after I took off my braces, my teeth were super, super, super sensitive. But now I don't really have that much sensitivity unless I am like I go for a clean and stuff like that and they have the air in my mouth, then it's sensitive. But they gave me this toothpaste to use where it helps. Let me tell you, like, I love my teeth. This is the best money that I have literally invested in myself. I love my teeth so much. So big shout outs to Dr. Gonzaga and the entire team. Everyone is super amazing. So if you are looking to get your veneers done, I highly recommend Dr. Gonzaga. They have an office in Colombia and they have an office in DR. I prefer to go directly to Gonzaga. He's in Colombia. But if you can't make it to Colombia, you could go to DR. They are awesome at the next office. Also, I have been to both. And so none of my veneers fell off since when I just did it. And that incident happened with the first one. None of them fell off. I have no issues. I don't have stinky mouth. I don't have stinky breath. I just make sure that I floss and I clean my mouth. I drink a lot of water. I take care of my mouth. I don't have any pains. I don't really mess with bones and stuff like that. That's gonna, break my teeth. But I love my teeth. And big ups to Dr. Gonzaga. Thank you so much for giving me this beautiful, beautiful smile. I'm going to put a before picture that I stumbled upon today. And I was like, oh my God, I needed new teeth. So I'm going to put a before picture so that you guys could see what my teeth kind of look like before I got my veneers. Or you could just go back and watch the other video. It's super interesting. But yeah, go ahead and get your teeth done, girl. Go invest in yourself. Nothing beats a beautiful smile, and I'll tell you, I love my smile. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please to like, subscribe, and share. And if you have any more questions in regards to veneers, just drop them in the chat and I will come back and answer them. Bye, y'all.